So here are 10 ChatGPT tricks that feel a little too powerful, like cheat codes for getting stuff done faster and smarter. So this slide focuses on turning PDFs into study notes, and this prompt sets the standard for how to turn a PDF into effective study notes. And the idea is to make the notes well organized, easy to scan, and accurate so the student can use them as quick study resource. Now focus on this slide is on turning job description to cover letter in seconds. And this prompt is designed to quickly turn any job into a customized cover letter. And it works by instructing the AI to take the core requirements of the role and rewrite them into a personal, engaging narrative without copying the job description directly. It asks for a professional but approachable tone. It keeps the letter within one page and ensures it starts strong, focuses on relevant achievements, and it ends with a confident close. So the idea is that you paste the job description at the end and the AI builds a tailored cover letter that highlights why you are a strong fit for that role. And this part of the presentation is about making ChatGPT think like anyone. And this prompt is about training ChatGPT to emulate, for example, Elon Musk mindset. So the aim is not to copy his personality exactly, but to adopt his ways of approaching problems boldly, logically, and from first principles. So you are asking it to think beyond the obvious. Picture the future you want and work backwards to make it happen. That first principles problem solving. And this is to strip problems to their fundamentals, ignore assumptions, and rebuild solutions from the ground up. Elon often cuts straight to the point, sometimes with humor and wit. You're asking the prompt to challenge industry norms and question entrenched thinking. Balance a clear vision with facts, metrics, and engineering realities. You're asking it to draw from Musk core ventures, SpaceX, Tesla, Neuralinks, the Boring Company, plus topics like AI, renewable energy, manufacturing, and large-scale engineering. When ChatGPT is unsure how Musk would respond, it should make an informed guess based on his public actions and statements and label it as an assumption. It should encourage referencing real-world examples to make explanations concrete and practical. So this prompt pushes ChatGPT into a mindset where big problem and big picture vision meets rigorous problem solving, especially blending ambition with engineering discipline. Now let's look at how we can generate prompt to turn any topic into slides. And this is a reusable all-purpose prompt that ensures any topic can be transformed into a polished, audience-ready presentation. So this prompt sets clear instructions for ChatGPT to act like a professional presentation creator. It ensures that any slide deck generated is structured, it's audience-friendly, and visually engaging. And of course, it always starts by setting the stage, use headings and subheadings so each slide has a focused point. You're asking the prompt to avoid heavy paragraphs, stick to short bullet points for quick reading, include key facts, definitions, and examples to keep it informative, include icons, images, or diagrams to make it visually appealing and easier to grasp. And at the end of each main section, to give it a quick takeaway to reinforce learning. and that it should end with a strong summary of the core messages for lasting impact. Moving on, this slide deals with how to turn messy notes into polished reports. And the prompt is designed to take raw, unstructured notes and turn them into a professional, well-organized report. The process starts by identifying the main topics and grouping related ideas together so the information flows logically. The prompt uses clear, concise language, removing anything irrelevant or repetitive. Headings and subheadings are added to make the structure easy to flow. If some details are missing, the prompt acknowledges the gaps instead of guessing. And the goal is to keep the original meaning intact, but improve readability, improve clarity, and professionalism. At the end, the report should feel complete, structured, and easy to understand. And here is a prompt that you can feed into ChatGPT to simulate realistic interviews, complete with follow-up questions tailored to different purposes. And this prompt turns ChatGPT into a realistic hiring manager for any role that you choose. It runs a simulated job interview where you as a candidate are asked one question at a time. And the question covers different areas such as technical skills, behavioral traits, and situation judgment. After each of your answers, it asks relevant follow-up questions to explore your responses in more depth. When the session ends, it provides feedback on your overall performance and points out areas you can improve, helping you prepare better for real interviews. And this prompt creates a customized role-specific mock interview experience. It makes ChatGPT act as an experienced interviewer for any position in any industry you choose. You can set the interview style, such as standard, star behavior, that is situation, task, action, result, star behavior, technical or high pressure, and you choose the mix of question types also, like technical, leadership, and problem solving. And the interviewer asks one question at a time, follows up based on your responses, and keeps the tone professional while matching your chosen style. The interview feels realistic, as if it were part of an actual hiring process. And at the end, you receive a detailed performance review covering your strengths, areas for improvement, and actionable tips to help you prepare for the real thing. Now, this brings us to a prompt that we can use for reverse engineering. And this prompt is designed to make an AI analyze the tone, the voice, and style of one text and then rewrite another text to match it exactly. Block A is a style reference, while block B is the content to transform. The AI first studies block A's sentence structure, vocabulary, and tone, then applies those same traits to rewrite block B without changing its meaning. This is useful for keeping brand voice consistent, matching an author style, or creating uniform content across different materials. This prompt is built on the 80-20 principle. 80 to 20 principle. And the idea is that 20% of what you learn gives you 80% of the results. So when you use this prompt, for instance, teach me the most important 20% of skills, you are asking for the high impact concepts, techniques, and tools that matter most. And it cuts through the noise, skips unnecessary theory, and focuses on practical knowledge that you can apply right away. And this approach helps you learn like an expert faster because you're mastering the core essentials first before diving into the rest. And finally, the 10th one, this prompt is perfect for anyone building a brand from scratch. It doesn't just stop at giving you a business name, it also delivers a tagline that captures your brand's voice and an Instagram bio that hooks your audience instantly. So, by packaging these three elements together, you get a ready to use brand identity that's consistent across platforms. And this saves time, it keeps your branding aligned, and it ensures your business makes a strong first impression online. What do you think about this? Let me see your comment in the comment section, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.